Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia titanium espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the display wasn't working, or it was working intermittently. When we got it here, we were able to see just a little bit of the display. We were able to get it to work, but unfortunately it just gave the exact same error and we had to replace it. So this is the older one, the one that you see right here. This is the older display, and we also replaced the bottom board, the one that is located right here. So starting with one coffee, we're gonna test it out, and then we're gonna do some steam and then test the buttons. As you can see, excellent flow coming out of the spouts. Really great color and good crema coming out of the machine. As you can see, we did a small coffee, which is perfect. We can select pre-ground, we can select hot water, we can go to the menu, we can exit the menu, and fill water tank. Oh, we gotta fill the water tank. As you can see, the water tank sensor is working. Coffee button works. And this will be the descaling we will test at the very end. Again, excellent crema coming out of the machine and really good work. Now I'm gonna stop this one manually. We're gonna test the steam. Okay, the machine is getting pressure. As you can see, it's starting to get that pressure. That's the steam coming out of the machine. Good temperature as well. Good pressure. And the last button that we're going to test is the descale button, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Gaggia Academia display working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.